guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite accessories for summer and spring alike, dope sunglasses. There's hair. Anywho, after I was really interrupted by that hair in my eyes, if you are new to my channel, like I said, I am Kelly. Welcome to my channel. I talk about fashion, accessories, DIYs, travel tips, anything that you guys want to hear. If you comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see, if you are like-minded and we like the same things. So be sure to subscribe if you are not. Hello to all my subscribers. Love you guys. You guys have been really awesome lately. We are steady creeping to 1,000, so that's exciting. If you want to know where you can get some dope and affordable sunglasses online, keep watching.
We fight and we argue, you'll still love me blind. If we don't fuck this whole thing up, guaranteed I can blow your mind.
Hope you enjoyed that montage. So these are probably by far my favorite. They are gold rimmed, they are yellow. Hopefully it's showing up in the camera that way. They are yellow reflective. The one thing I love about these, and like a criteria of sunglasses for me, is not being able to see my eyes. If I'm gonna creep on somebody, if I'm trying to look, I don't want you seeing that I'm seeing you seeing me. So, reflections. Love these. Love these. Link down below.
Murder, 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 she wrote. Love crimes, love crimes.
This is the second pair, also from Sojo's. I die for these. These are a little bit different than like normal glasses because you can see the little like nose pieces, nose holders, whatever you want to call those, are kind of extended beyond the glasses. I didn't like that at first, but I actually really learned to love them just because like they're different. It shines silver, so hopefully that is also showing up. I will let you know the colors. If not, I love the shape. They're kind of like an aviator, but just a little bit more modern. And they're very thin, super thin on this side, super thin bar across the top. Love them.
I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you.
I went super searching for ones that were shaped like this after I saw that Kim Kardashian had some. These actually, the shine, I keep calling it shine, they're like reflection, the mirror is red. I was looking for all black ones, but at the time I knew that I was like going on a trip or something, so I wanted something a little bit different, so I bought the red ones, but I'm definitely gonna go back for the all black ones.
Like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. I'll take a whip it, intermission, let the birds fly.
But for these shades, obviously I'm just channeling my inner Migos, my inner Quavo. Saw these on Instagram, not these specific shades, but tons of like that yellow trend, and I was like, I usually don't like glasses that you can see my eyes through just because I want to creep on people, but these ones are actually really cute, and the shape is to die. It's definitely like 60s-ish.
He giving me that good shit that make me not quit, that good shit.
These just make me feel very Ariana Grande. Love them. Different kind of cat eye, like a modern cat eye. They are pink in the mirror reflectiveness. Love them. The shape is quite different. And they're just bomb. You can kind of see my eyes like when I go on this side, but usually straight on you can't, which I love. So I hope you guys like them too.
I feel good sometimes I don't, like, no. I finesse down Western Road, like this. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me.
These are like the super simple kind of squarish aviator everyday glasses. I pretty much wear them every day.
Maybe the night that my tears might let me know all the stars are close, all the stars are close, all the stars are close. Maybe the night that my tears might let me know all the stars are closer, all the stars are closer, all the stars are closer.
Tell me what you gonna do to me. Confrontation ain't nothing new to me.
So this pair is probably different than any of the other ones I have. Like, look at this shape. I die. It's like cat eye, old Hollywood. All the stars are closer. Love it.
We came from nothing to something, bro. I don't trust nobody, grip the call up the gang and they come for ya. My bitch is bad and bougie, cooking up dope with Dozy. My hit is a savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. So my bitch is bad.